You join us today in the very early stages of another Mercedes-Benz restoration. This right-hand drive 190SL was first sourced and sold by the Hilton team and is now going through the workshop for a full restoration. Now, this car is a great base for a restoration and very rust-free. The car was first delivered to South Africa before being imported to the UK in the 1970s, where it was dry stored until 2018. This has almost entirely preserved the shell, and once restored, this car will retain every single factory Mercedes-Benz panel. This is incredibly rare for a Mercedes or any model and makes this car very special. Now, this car's original features go right down to the original VDO dash clock, which is still ticking today after all these years. As this project continues, we'll keep you up to date as we build this car to the customer's exact specification. Currently, the car is in the very early stages of strip, but when we reach the next stage, we'll update you with another video on all of our social media channels.